Hello. So a commenter was asking how to create a ratcheting animation, which is an animation that just keeps on repeating and repeating, but adding up as it goes. So let's start. First thing I'm going to start to animate that with just 1 second. Then we're going to go to curves. All right, I'm going to do the same thing for the other part. Great. And now for us to make it repeat over and over and over, we go to curves, post infinity, and then cycle with offset. So what we got is and yeah, I think that's good. Have fun.